The fashion world, driven by creativity and distinctive expression, might initially seem an unlikely space for the integration of artificial intelligence. After all, the realms of algorithms and machine learning don't naturally align with the flamboyant runaway shows and imaginative design processes that characterize the fashion world. However, fashion has consistently been at the forefront of innovation, and the intertwining of these seemingly distinct worlds shouldn't come as a surprise. So, how exactly do AI algorithms predict and influence fashion trends? How does AI propose outfits, anticipate color schemes, and comprehend the ever-evolving landscape of fashion preferences? Welcome back to World AI News, where today we delve into the transformative impact of AI and how we choose to dress and express ourselves. Every season introduces a fresh wave of emerging fashion trends. In recent developments in women's fashion, we've witnessed the resurgence of vibrant bags, miniskirts, and low-rise pants, reclaiming the spotlight. Interestingly, these items were also in vogue during the 90s and early 2000s, but fell out of favor by the late 2000s. The determinants behind these shifts in popularity are diverse, influenced by factors ranging from pop culture and environmental considerations to economic dynamics. To illustrate, the popularity of moto jackets in the 1950s soared after the release of the movie The Wild One, wherein Marlon Brando donned the iconic leather jacket. Understanding how fashion trends evolve over time involves the use of fashion trend forecasting and prediction models, specifically designed for various fashion categories. In this dynamic field, two types of trends are considered: micro trends, which endure for a few months to a year, and macro trends, which have a longer lifespan and are influenced by changes in lifestyle and societal functions. Fashion trend forecasting models play a crucial role in saving businesses significant time that would otherwise be spent gathering and organizing local and global information. The advent of artificial intelligence has brought about a paradigm shift in the fashion industry, with many brands and companies leveraging this technology for trend forecasting. The integration of artificial intelligence with historical data analytics tools holds the promise of transforming the industry, enabling companies to generate predictions faster and with greater accuracy. In the face of this ever-changing landscape, companies must be agile and adaptable, constantly reimagining their collections on the fly. To keep pace with the rapid developments in the industry, businesses are increasingly adopting data-centric strategies that incorporate analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. This strategic shift empowers companies to delve into consumer behavior, optimize product and service performance, and make well-informed decisions. At the forefront of this transformative journey is predictive analytics, enabling companies of all sizes and sectors to build agile, responsive, and resilient organizations. Now picture having a personal stylist who effortlessly understands your fashion taste, consistently suggesting outfits that perfectly match your style and effortlessly keeping up with the latest trends. Now imagine that this stylist isn't human but artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of personal fashion, where AI is transforming the way we dress and express ourselves. What makes AI in fashion so intriguing is its ability to connect with you on a profoundly personal level. Fashion platforms powered by AI utilize algorithms and machine learning to delve into your clothing choices, browsing history, and social media engagement. From there, they craft tailored outfit suggestions, considering your unique style preferences and body shape. It's like having a fashion-savvy friend who always has an intuitive sense of what suits you. Pocket-sized fashion magic. AI is changing the way we approach clothes shopping, and now you can have a virtual fitting room right in your pocket. Thanks to AI-powered virtual fitting rooms, you can try on outfits virtually before committing to a purchase. Just share a photo of your measurements and you'll see how different garments will look on you without setting foot in a physical store. It's a game changer for online shopping, taking away the uncertainty and reducing the need for returns. Staying ahead of the trends. Navigating the constantly evolving world of fashion can be overwhelming. Enter AI as your personal style guide, acting like a fashion oracle. It scours the fashion scene from runways to street style, delivering real-time trend updates. AI algorithms analyze patterns, colors, and styles, making it a breeze for you to stay effortlessly on the cutting edge of fashion. Simplified sustainability in fashion. Sustainability is gaining prominence in the fashion industry, and AI is stepping up to make eco-friendly choices more accessible. AI-driven apps and platforms can assess the sustainability of clothing brands, materials, and manufacturing processes. This empowers you to make well-informed choices that align with your values when it comes to building a more sustainable wardrobe. AI's creative touch for visionaries. For those brimming with creative flair, AI serves as an abundant source of inspiration. Fashion designers and artists are tapping into the potential of AI to spark avant-garde designs and explore new frontiers in garment creation. AI-generated patterns, color combinations, and textile designs are pushing the boundaries of what's achievable in the world of fashion. Crafting fashion with AI ingenuity. AI is not just revolutionizing fashion design, but also transforming the entire garment manufacturing process. Algorithms play a pivotal role in optimizing production lines, reducing waste, and enhancing efficiency. Predicting demand for specific products. AI adjusts production schedules accordingly, mitigating the issues of over- and underproduction. Moreover, there's a physical shift occurring thanks to AI. The conventional manufacturing robots used for decades are now infused with AI, completing tasks in a fraction of the time with heightened precision. These more intelligent robots handle repetitive and hazardous tasks, such as cutting and sewing fabrics, improving worker safety, and lowering production costs. Revolutionizing modeling. The impact of AI extends to the modeling realm as well. Some companies are creating digital models for commercial use with the introduction of well-known AI fashion model Shudu. Additionally, AI-powered body scanners can precisely measure a person's body, creating detailed 3D models that are reshaping the fit modeling industry. Now, here are some real-life examples of AI in fashion. Adidas, a frontrunner in the sports industry. Adidas has harnessed the power of AI to revolutionize its operations. The brand employs AI to streamline shipping processes and automate the supply chain, enabling the delivery of custom-designed shoes to customers within an impressive 24 hours, beyond logistics. Adidas leverages AI for personalized interactions, boosting engagement, and automating customer service. The company also utilizes this technology for developing 3D designs, crafting avatars to showcase products, and generating digital apparel. Tommy Hilfiger. The ever-popular Tommy Hilfiger brand integrated AI across various aspects of its operations, from providing personalized recommendations to managing inventory, enhancing sustainability, and elevating the overall shopping experience. AI plays a pivotal role. Notably, Tommy Hilfiger recently took a step into the virtual world by hosting an AI-driven competition during Decentraland's second Metaverse Fashion Week. The winning creations will be available as NFTs and Decentraland wearables, showcasing the brand's innovative fusion of AI and fashion. Zegna. In collaboration with Microsoft, the luxury menswear brand Zegna has unveiled an upgraded version of Zegna X system. This AI-powered system tailors the shopping experience for customers, offering personalized recommendations and providing 360-degree views of clothing combinations. Customers can even place orders for bespoke items through this innovative platform. Now, let's shift our focus to the recent installment of AI Fashion Week, which unfolded from November 30th to December 1st, 2023. Captivating audiences worldwide with a dazzling fusion of technology and haute couture, fashion enthusiasts and tech aficionados eagerly turned in as a virtual runway became a canvas for an enthralling collaboration between artificial intelligence and creative brilliance, leaving viewers enchanted. This event marked a significant milestone in the ongoing evolution of the fashion industry, affirming that the intersection of artificial intelligence and fashion design is not merely a passing trend, but a transformative force shaping the future of style. From virtual front-row experiences to holographic models, AI Fashion Week 2 pushed the boundaries of imagination, breathing new life into the traditional runway presentation. A standout moment during the event was the synergy between esteemed fashion designers and cutting-edge AI algorithms. Collaborating with AI systems, designers co-created unique pieces that seamlessly melded the human touch with the precision of machine learning. The outcome? A breathtaking collection that defied conventional notions of fashion, presenting garments that appeared to transcend the limits of creativity. AI-generated fabrics also took the spotlight, illustrating the versatility and ingenuity that machine learning introduces to the fashion spectrum. From textiles that change colors, to materials responsive to environmental cues, the fabrics of tomorrow were showcased in all their glory. Designers enthusiastically embraced the challenge of incorporating these cutting-edge textiles into their collections, resulting in garments that not only boasted stunning aesthetics, but also narrated a tale of sustainability and technological advancement. On the virtual runway, holographic models stole the show, introducing a surreal and mesmerizing quality to the presentation. These digital entities, meticulously shaped through advanced AI modeling, moved with an effortless grace that held the audience captive. The magical blend of fashion and technology went beyond the traditional runway, placing AI-powered virtual stylists and fashion assistants in the spotlight. Attendees were treated to an interactive experience, engaging with virtual assistants ready to offer personalized style suggestions tailored to individual preferences and body types. This immersive encounter allowed fashion enthusiasts to play and experiment with styles in a virtual realm, transforming the way we think about personal style. The event not only showcased the technical wizardry of artificial intelligence, but also its capacity to inspire, challenge, and redefine the very essence of fashion. The future runway isn't confined to physical spaces, it's a dynamic, ever-evolving crossroads of creativity and technology, where the potential is as boundless as the human imagination. And that wraps up our video for today. We're keen to hear your thoughts on the influence of AI in the fashion industry, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, remember to express your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and activating the notification bell to stay informed about our newest updates. Thanks for tuning in.